Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog. Hope you guys are having a lovely day so far. It's gonna be a big one here. One that I am unprepared for. Oh, and by the way, happy birthday if today's your birthday.
Good save.
Thank you.
Canada tomorrow.
Canada tomorrow. I can't believe it.
Are you gonna give them a full breakdown of what we gotta do to get into Canada?
I don't even know what we have to do to get into Canada, so no. But we did get our COVID results back. We did that yesterday, both negative, obviously. So good to go there. That was sort of the last thing that could potentially get in our way. So we're like going to Canada.
Hell yeah.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it's working out. Oh man. Yeah, so we're about to, there's like a whole app that you have to use. It's called like ArriveCan, and you have to like fill in all of this information. So we're gonna do that also. I need to roll out my face. Yeah, I would love a coffee. I really need one. We're a little hungover this morning. We have to go through what I think is a sort of like long and annoying process of like using this app to, I don't even know what, because I've never done it. So we're gonna find out right now. Arrival Airport. Where are we flying into? Toronto Pearson?
Toronto Pearson, yeah.
Yeah, do you know their address?
I'm getting it right now.
Perfect. Okay, beautiful. Jill Elizabeth Cimorelli is going to Canada.
Yes, she is.
Can we believe it?
Shit.
Because I cannot.
Baby.
I'm so excited. Check in now. We should see if we can choose seats next to each other.
Yeah, that's a good idea, actually. Wow, a good idea, Jill. Great.
Look at me go. My first ever. I miss you so much. You're gonna have fun with Andrew.
I'm just like so pumped to have you back in Canada. Like,
I can't believe it.
Just to get to do some touristy stuff.
I literally don't think that it's gonna feel real until I'm there. Like,
yeah.
I don't think I've even processed that's actually happening. Emergency contact, Connor O'Reilly.
Oh.
Because I know your phone number. I'm a good girlfriend. Literally the next vlog you guys see after this will be in Toronto.
Wow.
It'd be so fun. Yeah, so I don't know exactly what my vlogging schedule is going to be for the first week that I'm there, because it's a lot of like family stuff, seeing Connor's friends, stuff like that, and I don't like to distract too much with my camera if I can help it, because I don't want to make anyone feel like weird or uncomfortable or whatever. Definitely will be vlogging like flying there tomorrow. Probably won't vlog in the evening. So we're gonna go out to dinner with some of Connor's friends, and then Saturday I'm seeing Tara, so obviously I'll vlog that. So I think that will be the first vlog. It'll be like a little combo Friday, Saturday vibe. And then we'll just see where the rest of the trip takes us. But I'm so excited.
I haven't been this pumped for a trip in a long time.
It's gonna be awesome. Taking a quick break from work to put on a mask because my skin is still dry as fuck. So I'm gonna be using Neutrogena Hydro Boost mask. This has actually turned into one of my favorite masks. I had like not very high expectations for it, but it's good. Okay, got my little mask on, camera died, but we did it. Here we are. Beautiful. 1 p.m. and it is lunchtime, and I am flying through my to-do list, feeling really good about it. Have to send a ton of emails this afternoon, but we're getting there. We're getting into pretty good shape here. There is so much to do. I literally haven't even unpacked from Vegas yet. So I guess I'm just sort of repacking. Convenient. Honestly, I have all of my makeup and toiletries and stuff already packed, so bless you, Connor. You're just sleeping in the sunshine? Oh, you're so cute. We love you so much.
She loves her Jilly.
Feeling is mutual, huh, Molly? Wanna hold hands? That's nice. Lunch is served. Got a little salmon salad wrap here. Just making our way through all the ingredients in the fridge right now. Well, the to-do list is almost done. It is right there. I have like 5 more emails to send and then we're done. Feeling good about that, but taking a quick break because I need to make some returns. Look at me being proactive, making my returns. So I have to carry these 2 giant boxes, which should be an interesting time here. I think I'll probably leave my camera here just because I'm literally gonna walk there and drop off the packages and walk back. So nothing to film anyway, and I need to actually be able to carry these and not worry about my camera in my hand. So this day is going well. So once I'm back home, I'm gonna finish up those few things of work, and then we're going to like start some self-care stuff. I want to tan, need to wash my hair, need to shave my legs, the whole 9 yards, and then we're gonna have to get to packing at some point. I'm waiting on a package to arrive.
Oh my God.
Once that's there, we'll do a little try on haul. It's gonna be a time.
It's gonna be a little bit of a go, go, go. Right?
Mm-hmm, yeah.
Get a workout in.
Yeah, Connor's, I'm gonna, maybe, but probably not. Anyway, let's do this. Connor's gonna go get a haircut, so say goodbye to this shag.
Oh God, yeah, it's about time to clean this fucker up.
It's getting a little long there. You're gonna look so handsome.
Gave him something to work with.
Yeah, yes you did. Back home, sorry I'm back in just my sports bra again. It was hot on my walk. I did not realize that it was such a nice day out. What am I looking for? Here we are. It is so gorgeous outside, you guys. The weather is freaking perfect. And I was just like, you know what, it's such a nice day. I finished up the rest of the work that I need to do, and it's only 3 o'clock, so I have a little bit of time here, and I just felt like I want to go outside with my kitty cat, let her get some nice outside time, and enjoy it myself. And while I'm out there, I'm gonna work on just the little note that I'm leaving for Andrew with just some like general instructions about our place and Molly Cat and all of that. And I wanted a little drink out there, so just having some of my sparkling watermelon juice from Trader Joe's, my fave. Oh my God. It is so good. I really hope, this is definitely seasonal, it's watermelon, but man, I hope it's not. And if it is, I hope it comes back next summer. Molly Cat. Hi, you wanna go outside with Mom? Come here. Look at this little girl. I'm gonna miss you so much, kitty cat. You're my favorite girl. You're the best girl in the whole world. I love you. You wanna go outside for a little bit? Look, she's like, just get me out of your arms. I know. All right, Mom's gonna put a shirt on and then we can go outside. I just had such a lovely time sitting outside. I literally was sitting out there for like an hour and a half. I wrote the note to Andrew, and then I was just working on some branded content that I had to post, so got all of that taken care of, done with all of my work, and now it's time to enter full travel mode, just getting ready to go to Toronto for a long time. 18 days is a long time to be away from home. It's not my longest trip ever. I think my Europe trip was a little bit longer, but close. Anyway, while I was out there, I also got a package delivered. This is a ton of fall stuff, and so we're gonna open her up and try them on, see what we're going to bring. I literally do not remember what is in here at all. All right, look at cute, just a little basic thermal, a little like creamy colored long sleeve, just a good basic to have. Love this. I feel like it's just something that I could just live in all fall and winter. Cute, cozy, comfy. It's also, how do I describe it? Really lightweight, and so it'll be great for fall and winter here in LA, which is wonderful. I like the thermal texture. It's cute. By the way, I totally forgot to say this. All of this stuff is from Shein, and most of it is from their Motif line here, which I am really excited about. They have so many cute things, so I'm gonna link them down below. Okay, let's see. Ooh, yeah. Trousers, really pretty, just creamy tan color. I love the little exposed zipper detail in the front here. I think that's gonna be really cute. Definitely gonna wear these a ton. Okay, trousers. I really like these. They fit my waist really well. Love the little exposed zipper detail. Obviously they need to be ironed as well, but they're really lightweight, soft, comfy. I really like them. I definitely could see myself wearing these a lot during fall. So I'm a fan. I think these are cute. Oh, it looks like this is a little set. I literally don't even remember what I picked out, guys. I'm not kidding when I say that. So I got a lot of neutrals, if I recall. Very like fall neutral vibes. Very different from the last haul I did, which was like all colorful stuff. But here we are. I'm a girl with many sides. So little set. Pants here, they do look pretty see-through, but that's okay. Nude underwear will do fine. And it comes with this little top, which is sort of cute. It has like a little cowl neck vibe, but it's like sleeveless. Sort of fun. I thought it would be cute to like dress up a little bit with some heels. Okay, I'm actually really digging this. It's something different. I don't know, it looks sort of weird on camera, but I'm liking it in person. I really like the pants. They fit me really well. Like they're really nice and snug. along like the top part and then flare out really cute. I threw on a pair of heels so you could see the whole vibe, but the pants, even with heels on, are still so long on me. So I definitely have to do something about that, but I dig this. I feel like it's cool, it's different, it's really fun. I like it. I could definitely see myself wearing this out to, they're really long, wearing this out to dinner or something. I like the little pop of like a blue heel with it maybe. I like it. I think this is cute. Okay, next I got a little sweater vest. I never got into the sweater vest last year because I just felt like I couldn't pull them off, but we're gonna try it this year. This will be like my first sweater vest that I'm ever really trying on properly. So not even sure how to style these. I'm gonna have to like do a little bit of creeping around online, but just a little creamy color. Did I order enough tan color things? So here's the white vest. Obviously it's pretty big, a little bit more oversized than I thought it would be. I could literally wear this as a dress, so like maybe that's the move for this. Again, like I need to figure out how I would style these vests. It has a lot of potential. It's really soft and nice. I just would need to figure out how I actually want to wear this because clearly it won't be like this. But it's cute. It has potential if I can figure it out. We'll see. And I believe this is a vest as well. I got another one. Same exact thing, same neckline detail and everything. It's just in a little chocolatey brown. So hopefully I like them because I clearly went all in. Same vibes for this brown one. Again, just oversized. This one isn't as long. I probably couldn't wear this one as a dress. I sort of thought that it would be a little bit shorter, like, I don't know. But maybe like you just sort of tuck it in and I don't know, see. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to play around with this. But again, super soft, it's nice. Hey, Molly Cat. Oh yeah, this is something sort of different that I got. I wasn't sure if I regretted ordering this afterwards, but we're gonna see. It's a big old trench coat, but it's sort of cool. Like it has some color blocking details on it. I don't know, I just thought it would be sort of fun to style something a little bit more bold for fall time. So we'll see how this goes. So I like this. Like I think it has a lot of potential. It's cute. It's something different. Super lightweight again. I need to find, there's clearly like a, what would that be called? I don't know, belt that goes with it that I think will help give it a little bit more shape. So I think that will be great. I mean, I think it's cute. It's something different. It doesn't like do a lot for my body necessarily yet, but I think that the belt will help with that. And yeah, I like it. I think it's sort of fun, something different. Next up, it's like a surprise to me and you every time. Oh yeah, it's this really cute silky tank top, really pretty, and it has sort of like a bigger shoulder on one side. Hold on, let me see, which way is the front of this? I think this is the back. Okay, so really cute, sort of has like a cowl neck-ish detail and spaghetti strap on one side, thicker on the other, sort of fun and different. I like this. I feel like it has potential. Obviously it needs to be ironed or, I don't know, whatever you can do to this kind of material to get rid of the wrinkles because that's sort of weird, but I feel like it's cute. Definitely has some potential. I'm not like jumping out of my seat about it necessarily, but I think with the right styling, like, yeah, this is cute. I actually really like it. The more I look at it, the more I like it. So there you go. Oh yeah, okay, I'm really not sure how to show this. You'll just have to sort of see when I have it on, but it's just like sort of a basic long sleeve, but you'll see the neckline is like a little different, if I recall. So you'll just see that when I try it on. So I think you guys can see what I was talking about with the sort of interesting neckline. Like it sort of comes up a little high here and like down. Really cute. This is so soft and comfortable. It fits me like a glove. Obviously I would like tuck it all the way into something. I was just being lazy while trying things on here, but super cute. Definitely a keeper. Oh yeah, I got this really cute little bag here. Just little baguette. Cute little design, neutral color. Just thought that was sort of fun, being a little different. And I believe that this is a bag too, something a little bigger. So this is sort of like a big oversized clutch vibes. And then I think that there is a strap, yeah. You can add a strap if you want, but just thought this was sort of like fun, cute, something a little different and big enough to actually hold my camera, which we all know is constantly a concern for me. So there you have it. That is everything from my haul. I'm gonna link all this stuff down below. Hopefully some of it fits. You guys will know before me because I haven't tried it on yet, but you guys have seen me try it all on. So we'll see what works and what doesn't, what we wanna bring to Toronto, stuff like that. But I'm really excited about all of these new goodies. Lots of neutrals. That's fall for you. Oh man, I am getting so excited to get going. But I'm also just like really nervous too. It's sort of stressful. Like, I don't know why, but it almost feels like, well, there's a lot going on in this trip, a lot of pressure in a lot of different ways. First of all, like, Tara's totally convinced that she's gonna sell me on Toronto and then I'm gonna wanna like move there ASAP. So I feel like it's a little bit of pressure there of like, am I going to like it? Can I actually see myself potentially living there someday? Because really, I don't plan to move there very soon. Sorry, Tara, but we'll see. Also, my parents are coming and my parents are meeting Connor's parents for the first time, which is definitely, I'm not worried because they're all awesome, amazing people and it's gonna go totally fine, but just it's still a little nerve-wracking. So that'll be interesting. I haven't seen Connor's family for 2 years, so I'm not nervous to see them really at all, but just anxious to see them, anxious to see Connor's friends. I mean, it just, there's a lot going on, you know? It's gonna be a big, big trip. I feel like it's gonna fly by like in a flash. It's crazy how many plans we already have lined up and we aren't even there yet. So it's gonna be a very busy time, but hopefully all goes well. So anyway, I'm gonna hop in the shower now and wash my hair. The curls are coming back, baby. Although I was really feeling my straight hair this past weekend, so I may straighten it at some point in Toronto. It's also just way easier to manage when you're traveling because the curly hair just needs a lot more TLC, you know, versus the straight can just sort of like do whatever. It's very easy. So plus I don't know, I was just sort of digging it. I was like, ooh, am I about to go through like a little phase of straightening my hair? I might. I feel like there's all of this like pressure to like not straighten my hair because I've like done my whole curly girl journey and all of that, but I'm sort of digging it. I sort of like it. And that's not to say that I don't like my curls. Please, no one, you know, assume anything like that because that's not true at all. Love my curls, but it's sort of fun having the straight hair sometimes too. So anyway, I'm going to hop in the shower and then come out and tan, and then we'll just see where the rest of this evening takes us. All right, guys, I have tanned. I have done my hair. Connor's back. Look at his cute little haircut. Let me show the people your haircut. It's not done or anything, but still looks good. Look at how adorable. And now I need to figure out packing, which I'm stressed about, and it's certainly not helping that my suitcase is full from Vegas still. It does not make this much easier, like, excuse me. I'm gonna start by just clearing out a bunch of these dresses because obviously I'm not bringing like 25 dresses to Toronto with me where it's going to be cold and rainy every day. Then we're gonna start loading in some sweaters and jeans and all of that stuff. Okay, I feel solid about this. I definitely overpacked. We're gonna have to weigh this after I'm like fully done packing stuff, and probably some stuff is gonna have to come out. Some compromises will need to be made, but it is going to be fine for now. All right, it is 8:20. We need dinner and we need it fast. We're just gonna throw together a quick little lazy pasta is sort of the plan. We're just gonna go with like a spaghetti. I think that would be good. We got dinner coming along here. We got our tomatoes going. Oh, looks like our water's boiling. We're gonna drop some pasta. Just making a yummy little light tomato sauce. It's gonna be so juicy and good. All right, pasta complete. It's literally just cherry tomatoes, Campari tomatoes, some vegan ground beef, pasta water, splash of milk, and we threw some pepper jack cheese in there too, just to make it a little bit extra cheesy and creamy. But so quick and easy, you guys. You literally just have to wait for the tomatoes to cook down, and that's the whole thing. Gotta get a taste test of this one because it looks so good, so creamy. I'm very pumped. And I was gonna say it was vegan, but we did add pepper jack cheese. But other than that, it's vegan, so it's pretty impressive.
Mmm.
Mmm. Mm-hmm.
The sauce is so good.
Oh wow, killed it. Mmm.
It's a shit ton of good tomatoes.
That's right, that's all it takes.
All it takes.
Alrighty, it is the end of the night and we leave for Toronto tomorrow morning.
Woot woot.
I am like so dead over the fact that we're actually going.
I know, it's happening.
It's crazy.
Finally.
Yeah. I can't believe it, but I'm so excited. Can't wait to share so much of the trip with you guys. Definitely going to be documenting as much as possible. So keep an eye out for Toronto vlogs to come. Coming up right after this one. We're gonna miss you so much. I love you though. Alrighty everyone, thank you for watching today. Hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in my next one in Toronto.